One axe, one climb. Welcome to the challenge. It was my first time ice climbing. Just me, 2 friends, and one challenge. Climb with only one ice axe. I had no idea what to expect, but I was ready to give it everything. The first section was easy, not too steep, just getting used to the rhythm. My left hand free, my right hand gripping the axe. Step by step, kick by kick, I moved up the wall.
A little bit before. Because in one of the steps I fell and then I feel the rope and I was like, thank you.
Then suddenly, I slipped. Just a second of doubt. But I caught myself, heart racing. This was real now. The wall turned vertical. Every move required more focus, more strength. No second axe to balance me. Every kick and swing had to count.
That's why I'm holding it. I'm not lifting it. If I leave just hold the photos, it's holding it like that. I'm really comfortable with that. Is it okay if I put this rope over this one? It doesn't make a difference. This is the structure.
Qué guapo, gira, tío.
Another moment. I lost balance again, just for a second. The ice cracked, but I held on. I wasn't turning back now. This was the hardest part, pure vertical. My legs burning, my arm almost numb from gripping the axe. But I could feel the top getting closer.
Well done, it's the hardest part.
Which one is easiest? Which one is easiest of these?
This one, I would say the one back there.
Okay.
Because it's just going a bit like this. Afterwards you have to turn around, which is, it's not difficult, but it's annoying. Afterwards you can always choose the easiest way. You look and you have the choice.
Okay. So Prince, which one are we doing?
And then, I made it. The top. Cold wind in my face. One axe, one goal. done.
You coming down? Okay.
This was more than a climb. It was a challenge against fear, against limits, and I made it with just one ice axe.